Hello there. Today we show you what plant we have. We have look at beautiful plants here. They call it ganden. It's like a gladiolas. And also we have several plants here. We have a calla lily. Look at how they beautiful are. Look at this plant for your gardens. This is beautiful plant. And also we have succulent. There are several different sizes, medium, small, and large. And also we have aloe vera here. Look, aloe vera. It's a beautiful. And we have a bird of paradise. There are a lot of them here. Look how they are beautiful. Look here, some just come out with the flower. Some have 2-3 flowers. So, and we have a palm tree, queen palm tree here. So you can see different sizes. We have small, medium, and we have a big bird of paradise plant. We have a big one. Look how big they are. It's a beautiful plant. Okay, they are very, very big. This is called an exotic bird of paradise. And also we have, let me see what else we have. Well, we have all these plants here. See how beautiful they are. Look at. Okay. We have a palm tree here. This is the palm tree we have. Tall. Well, like you see here, we have a big bird of paradise. We have thank you for seeing this video.